In today's video, I am going to teach you how to design Shopify store banner. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main control area for your store, where you can manage products, settings, apps, and the appearance of your website. For this tutorial, we are focusing only on the theme area, because that is where your storefront design is managed. Once you are inside the Shopify admin dashboard, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Find the option called Online Store, then open it. Under Online Store, click Themes. This page shows the theme that is currently live on your store, along with any other themes you may have saved. The banner you are going to update belongs to the theme design, so this is the correct place to begin. Now that you are on the Themes page, look for your active theme. This is usually shown near the top of the page, and it is the version visitors currently see when they open your store. Next to the active theme, click Customize. This will open the Shopify theme editor, where you can visually adjust different parts of your storefront. Give the editor a moment to load. You should see a preview of your store in the main area, with a sidebar on the left and settings on the right or side panel depending on your layout. The preview helps you see how your changes will look before you save them. This makes it easier to place your banner correctly and check that the design appears where you want it. In the left sidebar, click Add Section. This lets you add a new content area to the page you are editing. From the list of available sections, choose Image Banner. If your theme already has an image banner section in place, you can click that existing section instead. Using an existing banner is helpful if you are simply replacing the current image, while adding a new section is useful if you want a fresh banner area on the page. After selecting the image banner section, look at the settings panel for that section. You should see an option labeled Select Image. Click Select Image, then upload your banner design file. This is the image that will appear on your Shopify store. Choose the correct file from your computer and allow it to upload into Shopify. Once selected, the banner should appear in the preview area, so take a moment to confirm that the image is showing in the correct section. At this point, pay close attention to the banner preview. Some Shopify themes include default text, headings, subheadings, or button blocks inside the image banner section. These elements can be useful in some designs, but if your uploaded banner already contains its own text or call-to-action graphics, the default theme text may overlap your design. That can make the banner look messy or difficult to read. If you see any default text or button blocks sitting on top of your banner design, remove them from that section. Click the text or button block inside the banner section, then delete it if it is not needed. The goal is to keep the uploaded design clear and clean, especially if the banner file already includes all of the wording and visual elements you want customers to see. Once the banner looks correct in the preview, take one final moment to review the section. Make sure the right image is uploaded, the design is visible, and there are no unwanted text or button elements covering important parts of the banner. This quick check helps avoid publishing a layout that looks unfinished or cluttered. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner of the theme editor and click Save. Saving is important because Shopify will not apply your changes to the live theme until you do this. After the save finishes, your Shopify store banner has been updated in your active theme. That covers everything you need to know.